what a beautiful day today. The sun is shining, it's really warm, and I've come down by the riverside just to soak up some of the sunshine and to enjoy nature. And while I've been down here, I've found this. It's part of a tree. Let me see if I get close to the camera for you. And they're so tiny and they're so beautiful. I just love them, and I'm just thinking to myself, what can we do with a little tiny thing like this and create something out of it, just so that we can enjoy a little part of nature in our home decor. So I'm going to take this tiny little piece home, and I'm going to have a think about it, and we'll do a tutorial on something. Not quite sure yet. Maybe something in clay, or not quite sure, but stay tuned so you can find out what this tiny little piece of nature has inspired home decor. And we'll see you soon. Take care, guys. Bye.